Hi, welcome back to my channel, Magilicious. Today we're going to be making is yogurt cake. We got the recipe from our neighbors. They're Italian. They make the good spaghetti and meatballs. And the cake is not too sweet. It's not too bitter. It's just perfect. It's the best yogurt cake I ever tried. Or the only yogurt cake I ever tried. So anyway, the ingredients we're going to need are 3 cups flour, 3 eggs, 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon zest. I love lemon zest. 1.5 tablespoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of lemon flavoring. Guys, the next part is ridiculously, unbelievably easy. Now all we're gonna do is mix them all up, put them in the oven, and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. So simple. Now guys, we're gonna start mixing it up! While we're mixing, we're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees. I'm gonna go do it right now. So the oven's done preheating. Now we're gonna mix it all up. So guys, I got my stand mixer. I just love using the stand mixer. I have no idea why. You can use a regular whisk spoon, do it by hand, but I just like using the stand mixer. Don't splatter at me. So I got my blue spatula, and we're gonna use it to transfer the batter to the cake pan I already prepared. If you wanna know how to prepare your cake pan, just go to my first episode, the Elsa cake one. And you're just gonna put your straw there. Transfer it. Come on, batter. I really want ya. Oh girl, I really want ya. You smell so nice. We're better than a bag of ice. So we filled the pan up with the cake batter. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna wait for it to bake to 20 to 25 minutes. So I took my cake out of the oven and we're gonna put it on the plate. And the best part is coming. We get to try it! Oh my gosh, look how good it turned out. Look at it! So excited to try it. Okay. It tastes so good. Guys, if you make this recipe, send me pictures. It'll make my day or night. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye! I'm running over with my cake.